Reaching the correct audience at the proper time and location is the key to successful marketing. It seems sense that many businesses use the internet as the majority of people use it to pass their free time. However, the online market's competitive environment is ever evolving. As a result, each company needs to work hard to keep its own market share. Although having a good online presence is crucial, clients are finding it more and more difficult to keep up with the changes. We will divulge some secrets. You're going to learn about 8 secrets that will enable you to maximize the results of your digital marketing initiatives. These tips can boost your success in 2023 regardless of whether you're an established professional or a one-person business. Let's delve deeper into the 8 secrets for successful digital marketing. 8 unknown secrets of digital marketing. Before you launch a new digital marketing campaign, it's crucial that you carefully examine your past campaigns and are aware of the tips that are provided below. This will enhance the effectiveness of your efforts and help you lay a strong basis for your plan. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. 1. Expensed social media advertising. Facebook advertising were used by numerous businesses, however they were unsuccessful. They made the decision to give up after that. This is a grave error because advertising on social media is incredibly inexpensive. It's challenging to reach your followers, especially new ones, with your material. You may simply reach thousands of individuals with the use of Instagram and Facebook marketing. The capacity to tailor your audience is one of the most crucial things to take into account while using these platforms. One of the most effective instruments, it ought to be utilized as frequently as possible. 2. Monitoring. To understand how your business is doing, you don't need to be an expert in Google Analytics or Google Data Studio. Nothing will matter if you aren't monitoring your results. You may enhance your tracking with a number of tools, including Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, and Google Data Studio. The majority of businesses currently have Google Analytics set up on their websites, but the typical user may find it to be very daunting. You can quickly build a dashboard that is configurable using Google Data Studio to observe what's occurring in your Google Analytics account. In addition, you can keep track of other actions like button clicks, video views, and resource downloads. Finally, you may monitor every aspect of your campaign operations with Google Tag Manager. 3. Websites that are mobile-friendly. A responsive design guarantees that your web pages will effortlessly adjust to your client's screen resolution. You may prevent having problems with font size and scrolling by having a well-designed and user-friendly design. Regardless of the screen resolution of your consumers' devices, responsive websites are built to deliver a high-quality user experience. Users assist in preventing problems like zooming and distortion from occurring while users surf your website. 4. Video promotion. Studies show that visitors to your website who are between the ages of 25 and 40 are the most frequent. They are also the ones who leave the landing page if there isn't a video there. Videos are now widely used as content due to their growth. In 2023, it is predicted that people would view web videos for roughly 100 minutes every day. However, marketers are not really making good use of these forms. If done correctly, video marketing can significantly boost the growth of your company. 5. Improve. Any marketing effort that aims to reach customers must include search marketing. To increase visibility and traffic, it necessitates gradually fine-tuning and modifying techniques. To enhance user experience, additional elements might also be considered, such as copywriting and changing Twitter bios. 6. The sales funnel must be addressed. A sales funnel's 4 main components are awareness, interest, consideration, and purchase. Awareness is the first and greatest area, and a Facebook ad is typically used to illustrate it. Interest is the second sector, which is typically concerned with blogging and Google display ads. The smallest area is contemplation, which contains your website, sales team, and contact forms. It is typically represented by a Google search ad. Email advertising. Email marketing is a comparatively inexpensive method of advertising your company's goods or services. It entails gathering various information, like names, email addresses, and localities, about your potential clients. People on an email list are typically those who have consented to receive your messages. It allows you to send messages that are tailored to the criteria you choose. Software can be used to manage and create your email lists. 8. Continue to be relevant to your audience. Being well-known is a fantastic accomplishment, but it's also challenging. Given the volume of goods and services that consumers are exposed to, it's crucial to concentrate on the ones that you offer. Concentrate on the audience you already have rather than trying to grow it significantly. Maintain your market relevance by changing your goods and services over time. Now that we have shared our secrets, it is time to put them into practice. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.